Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have now this duetto espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was pretty much unused for a year, and it was just sitting in there. And when we plug it in with water, we find out that these need to be replaced, and as well as it needed to tune up. The gasket was, as you can see, the shower screen is completely blocked, and the gasket is it was just in really bad condition. So we just descale also the machine and just run a bunch of clean water through the whole system to make sure everything's rinsed and there's no old water in there. So let's test it out. Let's start with one espresso. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly, but as you can see, it's a little bit too fine. We'll be able to see the crack from there. It's definitely way to find the grind. It needs to be a little bit more coarser, a little bit less quantity for this machine. But it's holding up pretty well. There's no leaks around the group head or anything around here, and it's just holding up really well. And we have good crema. And for the steamer, just push this a little bit more closer to where it's supposed to be. There you go. And now we can get the steamer, and as you can see, working perfectly fine. And of course, if we have steam, we have okay, thank you for your Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.